Hello everyone, good morning to all. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is Tech Savvy Engineers Private Limited. Let me present myself. My name is Sudaika and I am working as a Senior Technical Executive. So before going to start the presentation, let me tell you a short glance of our company. So we are the authorized reseller of SOLIDWORKS. We are having 15 years of association for design and services, and we are also the authorized training and support partner of SOLIDWORKS. Today I am going to present you that how you can install the SOLIDWORKS software easily without any error. Before installing the SOLIDWORKS software, there are some prerequisites which you have to remember before you move on for the installation. The prerequisite for the installation of SOLIDWORKS software is the installations should be done by the help of admins, right? Second, you have to disable your antivirus as well as firewall during the installation. After doing this too, next you have to move on for the installations. So as you know that now we used to provide the DVDs by sharing it with the link so that our client, so that our customer can download the setup. So we have divided the setup into 5 parts so that it will be very much easy during download. So once you download all the 5 setup, what you have to do is you have to copy all the file from DVD 2, 3, 4 and 5, and you have to paste it in DVD 1. After doing this, next you have to check it what's the properties of the setup. So what you will do is, let me just move on to my setup. As you can see, this is SOLIDWORKS 2022 Service Pack 2 setup. So what I have to do is, I need to check what is the properties of this setup. So just right click and go to the properties, and here you can see it is a 16 GB setup. That means my setup is okay to install. Now moving to the next slide, that is after you check the properties of your setup, what you have to do is you have to open the folder. You have to check the SOLIDWORKS setup.exe file and just right click on that exe file and run it as an admin. Note, SOLIDWORKS recommend that you have to restart your system before beginning a SOLIDWORKS installation. You will be prompted if a pending reboot is detected. This dialog box shows us even after a reboot at time. If it does, just click on OK to continue the installation. For any individual installation, keep install on this computer selected and click next. Note, there is an option to download and share all the files. If you have more than one sheet of SOLIDWORKS to install, this is a great time saving option. Now let me just move on to my setup. What I have to do is just right click on the setup, run as admin, click on yes. As you can see, there it is showing a Windows reboot. So for now what I will do is I will click on OK. After that, you have to specify the type of installations you want to install. So for me, I want to install on this computer, so I will check on install on this computer and I will move on next. After that, what you have to do is, here it will show you to enter the serial key which we have provided it to you. So there will be 24-digit serial key. What you have to do is you have to insert the 24-digit serial key and then you have to click on next. After that, it will get connected for the internet connection. If you don't have internet connection, if you want to install it manually, so just click on cancel. And if you are having any internet connections and you want to do it through the internet connection, just connect it into the internet and then just click on retry. So for now I will click on cancel as I want to install it without internet. So now it will be show you the summary page where you will see there are some product, there is some download options, installation location, toolbox. So for the first, what I have to do is in the product I will click on change, and here you can see that there are some product which are already checked. So if you want to uncheck some product you can do it. So for me, let me uncheck the composer player, which I don't need to install, and also I can uncheck the SOLIDWORKS cap. So after that, after unchecking, you have to go back to the summary, and then what you have to do is in the download option you have to check that which option it is selecting. If it is selecting download and install, just uncheck the download and install option and check on install only, because I already have the setup of SOLIDWORKS 2022, so there is no need to check on download and install option. Yes, I will click on install only option, and again I will go back to the summary. After that, what you have to do is in the toolbox you have to mention the location. So what I will do is I will click on change, and if you have any existing toolbox you can click on existing toolbox. If you are creating a new toolbox, so you can use a create a new SOLIDWORKS 2020 toolbox. I will mention it _2022. Okay, then again I will go back to the summary. After that I have to accept the terms of the SOLIDWORKS. Then I will click on install now. Once our installation is over, you have to check the show me what's new in SOLIDWORKS, so that you can get the latest update, latest features of any version which you are installing. And you can also check yes I want to join for further joining of customer experience improvement program. That's all. This was the video for the installation of SOLIDWORKS software. Hope you have liked it and hope it will be very much helpful during the installation. Please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we are also there in Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube and Twitter. You can also reach us at our hotline number, that is 1800-889-2245, and you can also mail us in our support@techsavvy.co.in. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a